What's good? It's your boy Jerome from JeromeHolderFitness.com. Now in this video, I'm gonna go over how you can use digestive enzymes to help you lose weight and some of the other benefits. All right, let's get into the video. Now, digestive enzymes, pretty self-explanatory. They're the enzymes that your body actually produces to digest food, to break down food. Now, as you get older, naturally your enzyme profile, the amount of enzymes you produce starts to go down. All right, and because of this, you might experience things like bloating, what seems like lactose intolerance. You know, you eat certain foods and you're just constipated, things of that nature, right? You start to experience over a period of time, right? There's other reasons why you could also experience these enzyme problems. One, through eating too much sugar. Too much sugar can deplete your enzyme production, all right? That's one thing. Another thing is stress. When you live a highly stressed life, when your cortisol is perpetually up, all right, when you have prolonged stress, you can actually deplete yourself of key enzymes that are used to break down food. All right, so I'm going to break down some of the different enzymes. So we got Amalayse, Protease, Lactase, and Lipase. All right, these are the different enzymes I'm going to be going over. They all are completely different. Okay, they all break down a different macronutrient. So Amalayse actually breaks down protein, or rather it breaks down carbohydrates. Protease breaks down protein. Lactase breaks down lactose, so like milk, dairy, those kind of products. And then lipase breaks down fats. All right, so these are all different. So if you have a problem breaking down dairy, breaking down lactose, you're gonna actually have to have the enzyme lactase in order to do so. So if, let's say, you supplement with a digestive enzyme supplement and it doesn't have lactase in it, but you're drinking milk or having cheese, it really doesn't matter that all the other enzymes are there. You're not gonna break it down. You're not gonna get the benefit of the nutrients from the food that you're getting. All right, and this can cause a lot of different problems, guys. This can cause a lot of different issues. You might be eating healthy right now and not seeing changes in your body weight simply because you don't have the enzyme production to extract the proper nutrients. So I'm gonna go over the benefits of taking digestive enzymes and how it can make your weight loss or fitness journey. So these are some of the benefits of taking the digestive enzymes. First thing, increased nutrient absorption. All right, this is so obvious because when you're eating those foods and you're not breaking them down, right? Let's say cruciferous vegetables, all right, that's going to require amylase to break down. But if you're not producing enough of that, you're not going to extract all the good vitamins and the good carbohydrates in those veggies. So you're not going to get better. You're not going to improve your health. Your nutrient profile is not going to get any better, right? So you might feel tired, sluggish, and things of that nature. So increased nutrient absorption. So number two, like I was mentioning, energy. All right, when you eat food, especially like, you know, for any of you that struggle with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance, all right, you're gonna be probably feeling tired after eating food. And what's food supposed to provide us with? Energy, right? You're not supposed to be tired, wanting to sleep after eating food. So that's just a sign that your body's not breaking down food properly. You're not extracting nutrients properly. So when you take a digestive enzyme that has amylase in it, which is actually the saliva that gets secreted before you start eating or during eating, when you start to salivate, that's amylase, right? Getting ready to break down the foods. So when you take that, you're gonna absorb the nutrients better, which in turn is going to give you more energy, all right? You're gonna feel more vigor. Number three, it's gonna lower inflammation. So a lot of people can be eating different foods, some healthy foods, some not so healthy, but whether you're eating healthy or not healthy, if you're not able to properly break down the nutrients because you don't have the enzyme profile, what's gonna end up happening is you're gonna have foods that get stuck and ferment because they don't get pushed through the digestive tract, right? They don't get broken down properly. They're gonna ferment, which is gonna cause inflammation in the body, systemic inflammation. All right, so you might notice like different like skin issues, headaches, constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, right, which is like diarrhea, or even like I said, constipation, things of that nature. So you'll greatly fix the inflammation problem by taking a digestive enzyme supplement. And then the fourth thing is less bloating. So that goes back to what I was saying about the inflammation. When you know, a lot of us, we think we have food sensitivities just because when we eat something, we get bloated. But don't blame the broccoli that makes you feel bloated. Don't say, oh, the broccoli made me bloated or the cheese made me bloated. It's not really that. It's the digestive issues that we got to get to the bottom of. And once we fix that, you'll notice those same foods that you thought were like allergic reactions when you ate, when you got bloated or felt some type of way, were really just digestive problems that are fixed. You can really just eat the foods that you love without dealing with the negative repercussions. All right, so I highly recommend, oh my goodness. All right, sorry about that. So I highly recommend you take a digestive enzyme supplement to help alleviate these issues, and make sure it has all 4 of these different enzymes: Amalayse, Protease, Lactase, and Lipase. All right, you take those and you'll really notice some great benefits, some great improvements in your digestive system, and that's going to help you obviously lose more weight. All right, now if you like this video, please drop a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe so we can spread the message of good health and fitness. All right, peace.